A camera that is even better than the FX3 or Alpha 7 series, but has less complexity. Today we want to review the Alpha 7 IV, a camera that I can confidently say outperforms many of Sony's cinema cameras, and even the more expensive A-series cameras. I have tested the Alpha 7 IV, Alpha 7 III, Alpha 6400, and many other Sony cameras, and I can assert that Sony has placed the best focusing performance in the software of this camera. It truly is a masterpiece, and I read that it is also integrated with artificial intelligence, which helps it. However, Sony claimed that the A6400 also has artificial intelligence, but has weak focusing. I won't proceed based on Sony's claim. I will move forward based on my own experiences. According to my research and reports from users in Amazon comments and from my friends and colleagues, the Alpha 7 IV performs much better in the field of videography than the Alpha 7 series. Why? Because the Alpha 7 series is specifically designed for photography and cannot focus quickly and accurately. However, the Alpha 7 IV is built for both videography and photography, providing the best performance in both areas. Many of my colleagues who purchased the A series regret not buying the Alpha 7 IV. Even sports photographers, despite being in the photography field, find the Alpha 7 series unsuitable because they need to focus quickly in sports photography. They need to choose a camera that performs better in fast focusing, and in my opinion, I recommend the Alpha 7 IV to them. The next point is that the 5-axis stabilizer is amazing, and recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second has truly beautified our world as videographers. I love it wholeheartedly, not just a little. Another point is that the body structure is really nice and professional, and when you hold it in your hand, it feels like you are using a high-quality Apple product. When you place your hand on the shutter button, it gives you a heavenly feeling because this button is so comfortable and truly excellent, both the shutter button and the record button. Another thing is that it has a 33 megapixel sensor, which is really outstanding compared to lower or similar tier cameras, and I really like it. When we tested its photography, the camera was truly amazing and provides us with very high ISO sensitivity. The ISO numbers and high ISO values produce little noise, which is not noticeable at all, making night photography possible for us. This is truly amazing functionality. As you know, full-frame cameras also give us less noise in their photos compared to cameras with smaller sensors, and their performance is excellent in every way. As a videographer, if I buy this camera, I don't see the need to get other series of Sony cameras, because for me, this camera is a comprehensive option, and I don't think I will need any other camera.